So this is a simple, cheap, inexpensive way to look for duct leakage, either positive or negative pressure. So as you can see here, and I could increase it by pushing the button down more, like so. And basically it's a vaporizer. So if you can see right here, oh, it's not on right now. This is the dehumidifier. It just satisfied and it clicked off. There's a little tiny hole right there. You see that little black hole? And it's literally just, and there's a little one up above. I missed just a little tiny piece, and it literally sucks all the smoke up as fast as I can make it. It sucks it right in when this dehumidifier kicks on. And that's why I was going around sealing up with tape all the way around, because it was just sucking in and blowing out. Up here, right there, as fast as I can make it, it's sucking it right into the machine. And so those have to be sealed up with caulking. I explained that before, but you couldn't see it. So this gives you a visual indicator of where your leaks are. Now look at the copper piping. You see it just being sucked right in. Look at that. So that's being sucked right in. Look at this little corner right there. See that little corner? See how that's getting sucked in right there? So this is how you end up with positive and negative pressure around your building or in rooms. And these are the little things. See how it gets sucked in right there? Right there. Watch this, your electrical box. Rubber grommet right there, right where the power wire goes in. Check this out. Look at that right there. All these are sucked in. And this is why putting air handlers outside of a building or outside of a room is a really bad idea. Get that all sucked in right there. Not too bad there. Right there at that little corner. All these little things add up. Getting all sucked in right there. So these are all the little kind of stuff like you've seen. I double ducted mastic from the inside of the air box. Even when we're putting our sheet metal together, we put mastic in the seam before we put it together. So that's the kind of thing we're going after right now, is sealing up all these leaks. Look at this. This is the secondary. So this is where the pump is. And right now we have it gravity fed, and then only if it comes out will it show up a if the pan or the condensate line gets drained, plugged. There's an electric pump in there that'll pump out right here, but that's a source of a leak, taking in outside air. That's a bad thing. So we've gone after most of them, like in this area where you see I have it sealed up here. I've been going after and I've been sealing all these leaks up. These are leaks that push out in some places. They're all get sealed up. Trying to go in between here, look for leaks. As you see, I have tape all here. I seal up the leak until there's no more leaks, because we're trying to do on this particular job a much higher standard than most other jobs. So having a little tool like this helps a lot, and it's very inexpensive. I think the whole thing was this is the extra kit that comes with this little doodad here. I'll show you how to put that on. Hold on a minute, gotta put down my phone. So with this, you still do the smoking part, depress, have the light on for 6 to 9 seconds. That'll start the smoke starting. By squeezing the trigger a little more, it injects more smoke. So if I go like that, but then I could turn this into on position. Oh, did I leave it on? Hey, guess what? Never mind. I left my battery. There's a little battery right inside here, but I left it in the on position. I killed the battery overnight. Oh no, it's a push-in one. Sorry about that. There, now I could show it. There we go. Now it's with velocity. There's a little fan in there with a single 1.5 AA battery. And now we can see, now we're squirting. Okay, so for a small high velocity stream when you need it for a particular reason, like that, you can see it disappear into the hole. You have this little attachment you put on top, and for the lower velocity you could just use the unit by itself. And basically it's just glycerol, the same stuff they put in inhalers and inside e-cigarettes. So you can actually inhale this, which I did just to give it a try. I don't do e-cigarettes or anything, but it's sweet. It tastes like glycol, just like the glycol you use in your water units. So that's it for that. I just thought I'd show you some of the procedures you do when you really want to go out of your way and look for even the smallest leaks to seal them up and patch them. This is another tool in your arsenal. The other one is using the infrared camera. I guess I'll show you the infrared camera. You go around with the infrared camera, and as you're looking around in the infrared camera, wherever there's a leak in or out, you might see cold or you might see heat leaking out, and you'll see a big spread like a dust, where it might be all warm like this and it's coming out of a small hole or something like that, shooting down or shooting up. And you can see the hot and cold spots using the camera. That's the other method you use for looking for leaks. Many different methods. Those are just two simple ones. I thought I'd show you this one right here because this is a go around your home furnaces and stuff like that after you do ducting work, after you install a new furnace. If you really want to make it airtight and you want to pass your duct pressure blaster test, seek out all your leaks with this. And that's it. See you guys next time. And somebody might be interested in, oh, this works for automotive too, forgot to say that. You pressurize your car, so you could use a shop vac, and you could go into one window and use cardboard and tape, and you can turn your shop vac backwards, of course with no dust or nothing in it or anything like that, on a clean system. You can pressurize your car a little bit, roll up the window or vacuum, and you could go around all the windows and door seals, and you can see where you have a leak. If you have an air noise or you have a water noise, you pressurize or depressurize your car, and you could either use this, or if you pressurize it, you could use very thick bubbly water. That's another way for finding vacuum sound leaks in a car or water leaks. All right guys, see you later.